Welcome. If you've ever found yourself searching endlessly for a file in Google Drive, only to forget which folder you put it in, you're not alone. Today, I'll show you the easiest way to reveal exactly where any file is stored in your Google Drive, using just your mobile device. Let's get started. First, open the Google Drive app on your phone or tablet. If you haven't already installed it, you can find it in the App Store or Google Play Store. Once you're in, you'll see a list of your recent files and folders organized just the way you left them. Now, scroll through your files and find the one you want to locate. Maybe it's a document you need for work, a photo, or a PDF you saved for later. Once you spot it, look to the right of the file's name. You'll see 3 vertical dots. This is the Options menu. Go ahead and tap those 3 dots. A menu will pop up with a bunch of different actions you can take, like sharing, moving, or downloading the file. For now, keep scrolling down this menu until you find the option that says Show File Location. Tap it. The app will instantly take you to the exact folder where your file is stored. No more guessing or digging through endless folders. You'll see the folder name at the top and your file highlighted inside it. This makes it super easy to organize, move, or just remember where you keep your important documents. Knowing how to quickly show a file's location can save you a lot of time, especially if your Google Drive is packed with files for school, work, or personal projects. It's a simple trick, but incredibly useful for staying organized and stress-free. If you found this guide helpful, consider sharing it with friends or coworkers who might also need a little help navigating Google Drive. Thanks for watching and happy organizing.